This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to buy cheap iPhones on eBay. If you're looking to get a great deal on an iPhone without breaking the bank, you've come to the right place. eBay can be a treasure trove of bargains, but knowing how to navigate it effectively is key. So, let's dive in and explore how you can secure a fantastic deal on an iPhone. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to eBay's website by typing in ebay.com. Once the site loads, you'll see the familiar eBay homepage with its colorful logo and a variety of categories and featured items. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't visited in a while, as a little bit of orientation can go a long way in making your shopping experience smoother. Next, focus your attention on the search bar, which is prominently located at the top of the page. Click into the search bar and type the word iPhone. This is your first step towards narrowing down the vast array of listings to just the ones you're interested in. Once you've typed iPhone, go ahead and hit the search button or simply press enter. This action will bring up a list of all the iPhone listings currently available on eBay. Now, here's where we'll start to refine our results. On the left side of the search results page, you'll see a variety of filtering options. These are incredibly useful for zeroing in on exactly what you're looking for. Since we're aiming to find a cheap iPhone, look for the price filter. This will typically be located under a section called Price on the left-hand sidebar. Here, you can set a minimum and maximum price range to ensure that the listings you see fit within your budget. Enter the price range that you're comfortable with. For example, if you're looking to spend no more than $300, you might set your range from $100 to $300. Filtering by price is a crucial step because it weeds out the higher-end models that might not fit your budget, allowing you to focus on finding a great deal on a more affordable option. Once you've set your price filter, take a look at the listings. You'll notice that the results have now been narrowed down to only show iPhones within your specified price range. At this point, it's important to carefully review the listings that catch your eye. Pay attention to the condition of the iPhone, whether it's new, used, or refurbished. Each of these conditions can significantly affect the price and the longevity of the device, so it's worth considering what's most important to you. Additionally, take a look at the seller's feedback score. A higher feedback score generally indicates a more reliable seller, which can be crucial when making a purchase online. Also, don't forget to read the item description thoroughly. Sellers will often include important information here about the phone's specifications, any potential flaws, and what accessories, if any, are included. This section can provide valuable insights that aren't immediately visible in the listing title or photos. Once you've found a listing that meets your criteria, you'll be able to either place a bid if the item is up for auction, or click Buy It Now if you want to purchase it immediately at the listed price. Whether you're bidding or buying outright, remember to factor in shipping costs and any potential import duties if you're buying from an international seller. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can navigate eBay with confidence and increase your chances of finding a cheap iPhone that fits your needs and budget. Happy shopping, and may you find the iPhone deal you're looking for.